When I walk around on a pigeon exposition, they always talk to my husband. They never expect that I'm the one with the pigeons.
Today we are interviewing Jelisa van Ooyen. She is also a female and a pigeon sport lover. Hey. Ja, dan vind ik het lekker, hè? Ja. Zij vindt het lekker.
I'm Jelisa, I'm 31 years old, and I have pigeons since 2003, so that's about 18 years right now. Yeah. I started with pigeons when I was 12 years old. I was still in school and we were in a playground for kids. We were bored, so we ringed at the door to ask what was in the big house in the garden of the man. And yeah, he told us that there were pigeons in it. So we were kind of interested, and after that we went much times over there to look, and then we started with 5 kids, and I think I'm the only one that's left. Yeah. Ik krijg elk jaar van Paul Rompers 4 jonkies. Al, ik denk aan een jaar of 6, 7. Ja, zeker. Schattekipjes.
Even kijken naar de andere rendaar.
Ja, hij snapt nog helemaal niet dat hij daar is.
Ja, ik denk dat er geen naam in zit. Was it difficult to start with pigeons when you are a young girl?
A little bit difficult it was, but we got help from an older man. He had already since, I don't know, 50, 60 years he had pigeons. So every week he helped us, and that was very nice. Ik heb ook helemaal geen broedhok hangen.
How did men react when you as a woman came into the pigeon sport?
Kind of surprised because you are young and a girl. Maybe they don't take you very seriously. Yes. But after a couple of years, they did take me seriously because I was still there and was moving forward with the pigeons. So that helped, I guess. Yeah. And when I walk around on a pigeon exposition, they always talk to my husband. They never expect that I'm the one with the pigeons. So then he says, yeah, well, I don't have the pigeons. You should ask her.
Niet direct even pas op de plaats. Want dan heb je kans dat je koning krijgt, hè, als je dan te veel doet.
Ja, dat hebben ze al gehad.
Oh nee, we hebben nog niet gehad.
Dat denk ik een ruime maand geleden. Toen was het ook zo warm en toen sloeg in één keer het weer om. En de dag dat...
Can you tell us something about the Ladies League in the pigeon sport?
The Ladies League started in 2019 in the Netherlands, and last year, 2001, I started some competition in our department together with another woman to inspire other women to compete as well. These are the ladies' league rings. So you can see there's a pink part on it. This year the rings are red, but for the ladies they have 2 pink parts. So maybe this will be the next champion for this year. Geen last van.
Dat bedoel ik, dat is wel leuk.
Ja,
wij hebben al catwalks opgehangen, waar er steeds katten gaan gebeuren. Die neemt steeds weer nieuwe katten bij en dat mag ze. Maar ja, dan moet ik wel een wiel. Op de jonge duiventil was hij.
Moet je zelf een kat nemen?
Ja, mijn man heeft.
Ja, snap ik, maar wij hebben...
What kind of pigeons do you have? What kind of pedigrees?
I mostly have pigeons for the short distance. A big part is Hedemans Keusters. And I also have pigeons from Paul Romkes, and he's also living here nearby. So that's kind of by the combination.
How do you take care of your pigeons?
I feed my pigeons once a day. Most people feed them twice a day, but I'm a nurse, so I work in the hospital and on different times, so I can feed them twice a day. So they also fly once a day.
Ja.
Hiervoor is het dicht en daarachter beginnen dan de roosters. En dan loopt het natuurlijk al van schuin mee, maar de lucht loopt er altijd anders langs
Als dat je wil.
dan dat je wil. Dus ik heb al nu zo'n schuin met zeil, langs de weg die boven, met zeil alles afgedicht langs de pannen, zodat het niet weer erin klapt hier overheen.
Ja, ja. Dat moet je ook dicht maken.
Ja, dat was...
Do you find important for your loft?
At first, the space. They need to have much space, and also the ventilation, and that's quite a challenge. I noticed because I think it's still not good enough. It can be better, and then the condition of the birds also will be better.
What is your favorite pigeon?
My favorite pigeon is Madame. It's a pigeon from 2012 that flies to me, and yeah, I can play with her. She sits on my shoulder, so that's my favorite one. Nee, nee, is het niet. Dan blijft ze vaak zitten.
Nice, very nice.
Ik ben ook een beetje afgeleid. Hè?
Pieter denk ik.
Ik ben er ook nog een stapje verder. Zie je hem? Nee.
Moet je niet zo dichtbij gaan, Pieter.
Wanneer ben je afgeleid?
Do you have any advices for people who wanted to start with pigeons? What they have to do and what they don't have to do?
I think don't start too big. Start with a little couple of pigeons and ask advices from other pigeon fanciers. Ask them to help. Don't take too much pigeons from too much people. Just a small group and then start. And when you fail, don't stop immediately. Just keep trying because it will get better. Laat ik dan op de Vitesse de duivinnen doen en dan de dag van de
ja,
doffers.
moet kunnen eigenlijk, ja.
En dan zijn ze er als de doffers thuiskomen, maar dat is
Ja.
jammer. Dat is jammer. Ja. Nee, ik had er 3 mee op 6. Eentje kwam, ik geloof 5 uur half 6. En die andere 2 zaten de volgende ochtend in de ren. Ik had het even over laten staan
Oh,
met
ja.
een waterbakje en wat voer erin.
Oh, dat is wel jammer dan.
Dus dat was wel waardeloos.
Ja.